there's a new undisputed disposable water bottle champion, and it is the Evian. So in this video, we're going to go over what makes the Evian the new best disposable water bottle. If you haven't seen my my other video on disposable water bottles and which ones are best for ultralighting, then you should go back and watch that. I think it's also hilarious. But for obsession's sake, the reason why the Evian won out over the Dasani is that it has all of the features of the Dasani, but it is better in all of the ways that Dasani sucks. And so the number one reason the Dasani was terrible was that it screwed on really rough, and the Evian has a smooth screw on. Also, the cap on the Dasani is really cheap, whereas the Evian has, you can see there are these ridges in it that are like the knurling on a barbell, and they just put more time and money into making this knurling really nice to the touch. And since you're touching it every single day, it's awesome to have something that's just constructed better. Then the water bottle opening, you can see that it's a bit wider than something like the Smartwater bottle or most of the things that most of the water bottles that you get. Also, the lip is thinner. It just makes drinking more comfortable. But when you get it, there's the sealing. There's the thing that seals the top to the water bottle so that it's like safe. Remove that small piece of plastic. Then on the top, you have these little ridges that I think are supposed to be like mountains. But what that does is it makes it easier to put the water bottle into the water bottle pocket. You can sort of push on those ridges and push it back down into the water bottle pocket. Also, the plastic it's just better constructed. I think it's a bit thicker. It's going to make it a little bit heavier, but it's nice to have something that you touch every day. It's a big part of your hiking. It's nice to have the best. And right now I've probably tried 20 plus water bottles, and the Evian just surprised me. I got it by accident. I wanted one that was a little bit wider because I was having some problems with my water bottle pockets ripping. And so I wanted to fill out my water bottle. And so I was able to find the Evian, and yeah, that's it. There is a new undisputed disposable water bottle for super ultralight backpacking.